Welcome back, guys. For today's one, I'll shuffle the cards until my spectator is 100% happy. I'll cut the cards as well. I'll give it another shuffle. I'll make sure that this is completely mixed up. So we'll shuffle it, we'll give it a cut, we'll give it a couple more cuts, and we'll give it another shuffle. Make sure there's absolutely no possible way I could know the order. So now that is completely mixed up, and now we're going to have a random number. You could really go 1 through 50 to any card in this deck, but I'm going to just go 1 through 20. Hopefully you guys can see there. We're going to generate the random number 1 through 20, 18. Okay, so let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 18 cards. So that's going to be your card. And let's just see, if you stopped one earlier, your card would have been 7 of spades. If you stopped one later, your card would have been 6 of spades. But I know your card is the 8 of diamonds. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it.